Good evening, dear student. This is class 11, depreciation. In last video, I had discussed about how to calculate depreciation in a written down value method. And in today's video, I will discuss that particular topic, provision for depreciation account. That if the questions are given that to prepare provision for depreciation account and also to prepare machinery account in case of provision of depreciation, then in that case what you have to do and how you have to prepare provision for depreciation account and how you have to prepare machinery account when provision for depreciation account is open. So I am going to discuss the provision for depreciation account. For that, I have taken one question. I have taken same question which I had taken in last video. And in that question, I will try to cover provision for depreciation account and also the machinery account in case of provision of depreciation. Clear? So the question is what? That Y Limited purchased a machine of rupees 1 lakh on 30th September 2018. Depreciation is charged 10% per annum and on 31st March every year. And the machinery got sold on 1st December 2020 for rupees 75,000. Clear? So do the calculation and also prepare provision for depreciation account. So the calculation is very simple. I have taken this for the calculation. The date of purchase, the value of machinery is 1 lakh and depreciation 10% 5,000. Now 95,000. Then next year depreciation is 9,500 of 95,000, 10%. Then at the time of sale, the value of depreciation is 5,700 for 8 months that I have did here. Now the cost price is 79,800 and selling price is 75,000. So it is loss 4,800. This is the calculation of depreciation. Now I am going to discuss that provision for depreciation account. Look at that, the provision for depreciation account. Okay, look at that, the provision for depreciation account. That how to prepare provision for depreciation account. In provision for depreciation account, it is a liability, so it shows credit balance. In provision for depreciation account, only you have to transfer the depreciation of all the machinery. It means in this account you have to transfer only depreciation. And how you have to transfer? Look at that. First year depreciation on 2019 March 31st. By depreciation I have calculated how much? 5,000 in calculation. So I have written first year depreciation here, and this amount is balance here to balance CD 5,000. Date will be same, 2019 March 31st, 2019 March 31st. Now this balance CD will become by balance PD in 2019 April 1st. That 5,060 dash 5,000 here. Now next year depreciation I have charged for 2020 March 31st by depreciation, that is 9,500. Now I have total it. Total of 2 year depreciation 14,500. Now I have balanced it in second year. This 14,500 I have written here, and I have written what? To balance CD, and date is second year depreciation 2020 March 31st. Now this balance CD I have transferred here by balance BD. Same amount 14,500. That 14,500 I put it here, and I have put it here the last depreciation at the time of sale on December 1st. That I have written by depreciation for third year depreciation at the time of sale, that is 5,700. The total depreciation of 3 years 20,200. And at the time of sale in provision for depreciation account, at the time of sale 2020 December 1st, what you have to write? You have to write to machinery account. What you have to write? To machinery account. When? At the time of sale. And in this you have to write the total depreciation. Total depreciation up to sale. It means सेलिंग डेट तक जितना भी टोटल डिप्रिसिएशन हुआ है, जो मशीनरी सेल हो रही है, उसका you have to write here, that is 20,200. What I have written? To machinery account. So at the time of sale you have to write what? To machinery account.